Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here how to calculate output voltage for the given op amp circuit. So here totally 3 op amps are there. So 1, 2, 3. Nothing but 3 stages are there. Now how can you find the output voltage V0 here? Let's observe carefully here. This op amp, let's consider this is the stage 1 and this is stage 2 and this is stage 3. So for stage 1, these are 2 voltage sources that was given to the only inverting terminal. Plus is grounded and there is the inverting resistance that is 30 kilo ohms, and here certain voltage drop that is called as VA. Let's consider this is VA. This is the output voltage for the stage 1. Now similarly for the stage 2, same design. So here 2 resistors with 2 sources that were connected to the inverting terminal, and there is a feedback resistance that is 20 kilo ohms and plus is grounded. Same. And here the output voltage that is, let's consider that is VB. So this VA and VB will be the sources for the third stage. So first of all we are going to find VA and VB. So then we can easily calculate output voltage V0. So here VA is the output voltage for the stage 1 as well as it was the input voltage for stage 3. VB also input voltage for stage 3 as well as it is output voltage for S2. So first of all find VA and VB from the stage 1 and stage 2. So then we can easily find V0 voltage V0. Now let's see here how to find VA voltage for the stage 1. When you observe carefully here, these 2 sources are connected to the inverting terminal. So it is nothing but summing amplifier, inverting summing amplifier. So that is output voltage VA equal to, so output voltage due to 1 volt source plus output voltage due to 2 volt source, and here that summation is nothing but VA. So let's see here. So this is the inverting op amp because sources are connected to the inverting terminal, plus is grounded. So it is the inverting op amp. So this is feedback resistance and this is R1 resistance. So this is R1, this is another R1. Let's consider it is R2. Okay. So due to 1 volt, the output is according to inverting op amp minus RF by input resistance due to voltage source 1, that is R1, into that voltage that is 1 volt plus next voltage due to 2 volt source, same pattern. So minus RF by, here R1 is due to 2 volts, that is R2, into 2 volts. It becomes minus 30k by R1 is 10k into 1 volt plus next minus 30k by R2 is 10k into 2 volts. Here apply this simple formula, that is inverting op amp formula. Okay. So due to 1 volt source, next due to 2 volt source, minus RF by R1 into 1 volt. So whenever 2 volts is there, at the time minus RF by R1, here means for this circuit it is R2, means minus RF by R2 into 2 volts. Now by simplifying this we get minus 9 volts. So that is VA. So VA equal to minus 9 volts. Next we are going to find VB. So VB is the output voltage for stage 2. Same formula because it was also inverting op amp. So due to 3 volts, find the voltage drop across stage 2. That voltage will be summation with the voltage due to 4 volts. So it is inverting op amp, inverting summation op amp. Okay, so VB equal to the voltage drop here due to 3 volts, that is 3 into here feedback is RF, that is 20k. This is R1 for 3 volts and this is another R1 for 4 volts. Let's consider it is R2. Okay, so 3 into minus RF by RF is 20k by 10k plus next 4 volts. The output voltage due to 4 volts is 4 into minus RF by input resistance, that is 10 kilo ohms for 4 volts, that is 10 kilo ohms. That is R2 is 10k here due to 4 volts. Now by simplifying this we will get here 2 ones, 2 twos, minus 2 here, yes 10 ones, 10 twos, minus 2 here becomes minus 6, minus 8, nothing but minus 14. So this is VB equal to minus 14. So we have got minus 9 and VB got minus 14. So these are the two sources for stage 3. Now we can easily find output voltage V0. Now let observe carefully here. The stage 3 is the difference amplifier because two sources are there, both are connected to the both terminals. So this volts were connected to the positive terminal and this voltage was connected to the negative terminal, and it is the difference amplifier. So let us assume this is R1 resistance and this is R2. Next this is R3 and this is R4. Just follow the values properly. So R1, R2, R3, R4. Okay. For difference amplifier there is a standard formula directly for finding the output voltage V0. So that is output voltage V0 equal to R2 into 1 plus R1 by R2 into upon R1 into 1 plus R3 by R4 overall product with V2 minus R2 by R1 into V1. So let's consider this is here V2 means nothing but VB and V1 is nothing but VA. Now substitute all the values in this formula, we will get output voltage. Because it is a difference amplifier, this is a standard formula for finding the output voltage. So let's substitute all the values here. It becomes V0 equal to, so R2 is here, this is 40k, 40k by here R1 is 20k, nothing but 40k by 20k nothing but 2 into overall list 1 plus R1 by R2. R1 is 20k by 40k, nothing but 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5. So that is 20 by 40, nothing but 20 by 20, nothing but 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5. Okay. Next upon, so this R2 by R1 already calculated, that is 2. So this value we got 1 plus 0.5 and this value is 1 plus R3 by R4. This is R3. R3 is 60k and R4 is 10k. So 60k by 10k but 6. So 60k by 10k nothing but 10k once, 10k 6 times. Totally 6. So into V2 nothing but VB, that is minus 14. Minus of R2 by R1 into V1. So R2 by R1 nothing but 40k by 20k nothing but 2. So 2 into, so V1 nothing but VA. So VA is nothing but minus 9. So minus of minus here becomes plus into 9. So it becomes V naught equal to, so 2 into this value is 1.5 by 1 plus 6 nothing but 7 into minus 14 plus 18. So 7 ones, 7 twos. So 2 ones, so 2 twos are 4. So minus 4 into 1.5 plus 18 nothing but this value is 6. Minus 6 plus 18 nothing but plus 2R. So this is the output voltage, that is V naught equal to 12 volts. So this is the output voltage for the given overall circuit, and this is the process of simplification for getting the output voltage. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.